Hey guys, this is your boy Sound Shinobi. Now I'll be showing you how we're gonna program a drum rack, and yep, let's get into it. Alright, so we just double click right here, and we'll see this tab. So this is where we'll be playing our drums. So every time we're just gonna double click right here and just to play, and it should play it. So we're just basically gonna press play right here, and then now we can hear it. Just gonna throw some snare in there. And some hi-hats. Oops. So that is how it goes. We just need to make our own pattern. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you like it. See you next time.